Modern smartphones have ushered in a new era where 128 gigabytes of storage is no longer sufficient. The new standard for storage is now 256 gigabytes, necessitated by increasing demands on our devices. In the past, 128 gigabytes met most users' needs. Older phones had simpler operating systems, and users typically stored smaller photos, making 128 gigabytes a sufficient baseline. On-device AI changes everything. Modern smartphones process artificial intelligence locally, which enables the device to run complex tasks instantly. However, this technology demands a massive storage capacity. Local AI consumes space immediately. It requires huge system files, dedicating 40 gigabytes to 60 gigabytes of space right out of the box. This drastically reduces the usable storage on a 128 gigabytes phone. The recording of high-resolution 4K video also multiplies storage demands. Modern lenses capture massive visual data, meaning 4K media consumes significantly more space than older formats. The new baseline equation includes the system OS, AI, 4K media, and several years of apps. The 256 gigabyte standard is required to accommodate new technologies and retain room for essential updates and years of photos. Matching your storage profile is key. The average user needs a 256 gigabytes minimum. Power users, like content creators and gamers, should opt for 512 gigabytes or 1 TB. Budget users can consider 128 gigabytes plus cloud storage. Cloud storage is a viable alternative for buyers preferring lower initial hardware costs. These users purchase 128 gigabytes models and utilize services like Google One or iCloud to manage their data. Investing in the 256 gigabytes baseline secures future performance and absorbs incoming AI updates. This capacity ensures device longevity and helps you avoid frustrating storage-full interruptions.